Hi guys, I'm back with another recipe. Today I'm gonna teach you how I make my version of pork tonkatsu or deep fried pork. Our ingredients are as follows. I have pork loin center and this is boneless. I have here my breading station, flour that's been seasoned with salt and pepper. I also have eggs that's been seasoned as well with salt and pepper, and then panko breadcrumbs or the Japanese breadcrumbs that's been seasoned with salt, pepper, and then for my twist or for my version, I added about a tablespoon or two of Parmesan cheese, and then we have our vegetable oil for frying, and then by the way, we needed as well some meat mallet. We also need saran wrap because we're gonna pound this pork very thinly between two sheets of saran wrap. So there you go guys, let's start making our pork tonkatsu. Okay guys, so ito na yung ating manipis na pork. There you go. So, ready na tayo to bread it. So, we'll start with flour. And then we'll add the pork sa ating egg mixture. And then, ilalagay natin yung ating pork sa panko breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, a little salt and pepper. There you go. On to the next. So, flour. Egg. And then panko cheese mixture. I'll just continue doing this and then I'll just show you the finished product. So there you go guys, I'm done dredging my pork with flour and eggs and panko breadcrumbs with Parmesan cheese. Now we are ready for frying. So we'll start frying our tonkatsu. I'm just gonna add vegetable oil in. So let's slowly add in our pork. Siguro mga dalawa ilalagay natin. We don't want to overcrowd the pan. So yung aking temperature ng pan is at almost low to medium. Low-medium siya. We'll wait until it's golden brown in color and then we'll flip it on the other side. So yun din yung purpose kung bakit natin pinound yung ating pork loin ng manipis para mabilis din siyang maluto. So we're ready to flip it on the other side. As you can see guys, ang ganda ng color, light brown in color. Okay, so the first two is done. We'll just drain this one. I also have a plate lined with paper towel. I am gonna continue frying the remainder of the pork and I'll see you back in a bit. So this is our finished product, my pork tonkatsu. with a little twist to it, I added Parmesan cheese onto my Panko breadcrumbs. There you go, guys. I hope you give this a try and please let me know what you think. Thank you.